All right, guys, I'm Johnny Scoville, and this, you betcha, this is Chase the Heat. Okay, before I do this video, I want to welcome all the new people that have come over from Hulu and Disney Plus from watching Super Hot. Thank you. Hope you're enjoying yourself. Please check out the playlist. There are over 5,100 videos, fairly well organized. There is also a subscription you can do for $4.99 a month. Hit the tab that says join. For that, there's over 100 other videos, challenges, aftermaths, and stuff that you don't see on the normal channel. So please check that out. Stalling a little bit. I got a monster of a sauce. I mean, a just straight monster. A monster of the sauce. The sweatshirt that I was wearing in a lot of the times in the show Super Hot, Hellfire, well, that's what this is from. You hear a squirrel meowing. I love that. Hellfire. Double Doomed Rebooted, people. I'm going to read this to you. This sauce requires a little bit of stalling. There's hot, and then there's this. All right, listen to this, people. Let me read it this way because, well, you know. Hellfire Double Doomed Hot Sauce, 5 ounces, okay? Hellfire Hot Sauce Double Doomed Rebooted, the best tasting extract enhanced sauce in the world. As you may know, the pure 16 million cap crystals, or capsaicin extract, in the original Doomed, didn't have the desired effect and didn't seem hot enough. So we went back to using the 6.6 million extract that we use in Doomed, but Double Doomed Rebooted has more than twice the extract of our crazy hot Doomed sauce, and we didn't change the flavor as everyone seemed to love that. This sauce will take your breath away as it's spiked with the double amount of 6.6 million SHU extract. This is the hottest sauce on the market that is not simply a straight extract. The kicker is this, the same great taste. We added over 20 top quality ingredients to actually create an extract sauce with amazing flavor. Most folks in our trials would take a second helping because it tastes so good, but then the heat would kick in and it doesn't let go easy. This sauce is a monster. Grab a bottle, but beware, use with much caution. If you've watched this channel for any length of time, you know I love a good morning. Man, oh man, listen to this. Here are the ingredients. Pure cane sugar, apricot puree, tomato paste, pepper extract, pineapple, which is pineapple and pineapple juice, distilled vinegar, honey, molasses, vegan Worcestershire sauce, which is apple cider vinegar, diluted with water to 8% acidity, water, soy sauce, water, wheat, soybeans, and salt, pure cane sugar, molasses, garlic and water, dry mustard, onion powder, ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper, pure maple syrup, pears, and the pears consist of pears, water, citric acid, water, papaya puree, yellow 7-pot pepper mash, which is yellow 7-pot pepper and vinegar, Fatali pepper mash, which is Fatali peppers and vinegar, yellow Scotch bonnet pepper mash, which is Scotch bonnet peppers and vinegar, dark roasted coffee, you heard me correctly, dark roasted coffee, which is water, and 100% Arabica coffee, garlic, which is garlic and water, sea salt, hi squirrel, salt, come here squirrel, come over here. Sea salt, salt, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice from concentrate, cinnamon, contains soy and wheat. That squirrel. She's saying, dude, don't do it, man. You don't need to prove anything at this point. Don't do it, she's saying. All right, Double Doomed. This is what it says on the bottle. All right. Spiked with double amount of 6.6 million SHU natural pepper extract. As Doomed, this sauce will blow you away and make you regret your life choices. Warning, use extreme caution with the sauce. Get ready for the ride of your life. To kind of put it in perspective, a ghost pepper is a very, 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 very hot pepper. That's 1,000,000 Scoville. The hottest sauce I've ever had before this, and you know, the hottest sauce I've ever had personally was Doomed by the same company, but this is their Double Doomed. Am I nervous about it? Nah. I'm excited. I wouldn't say nervous.
I'm nervous about it.
Are you?
Yeah.
Tommy's a little nervous about it.
Squirrel's nervous about it.
I know, Squirrel's tense. She's like, man, I don't know why you're doing this, man. Seriously. All right.
You can't stop.
I can't stop it. Boy, look at it. You can see the extract hugging. Do you guys see the extract hugging the glass? That's extract. Oh, man. You know what I love about Hellfire? That. No flow restrictor. Please. Flow restrictor. Hellfire. Okay, you know what? It's kind of it doesn't have. It has a great aroma. It doesn't have that. It's the fruitiness that I'm picking up from the puree, from the apricot or something, but you don't have that chemically terrible extract aroma, because here's the deal. If I can smell the extract, I can taste it. And typically if I can taste the extract in the sauce, I'm not gonna like it. Now, I'm gonna be very honest about this sauce. I love Merle and Diana, they're friends of mine, man. I love these guys. So this is their sauce, but I'm gonna be very honest. Hopefully I love it. Here's the pour of Double Doomed Rebooted. Come on. All right, so hold on a minute here. Here we go. There we go. Now it's coming out. So that is a thick sauce. Okay, so 6.6 million. I'm Johnny Scoville. This is Chase the Heat.
He's alright. Ooh. I know. Yeah, I thought the same thing. Phew.
My ears are ringing already.
How does it look, squirrel?
It does have a good taste.
That's not very nice.
My mouth is watering. That heat is absurd. They should get an award for making something. Hey, I just got the hiccups, dude.
You're kidding me.
No,
Is that a first or a second?
first ever.
Whoa! No way! Wow.
Wow.
That's a rowdy sauce right there, man. That's gone, but you had it. Still pretty. Yeah, you had it though. Still pretty impressive. Wow.
I cannot believe it.
Wow, good stuff.
First time I've ever had hiccups ever in my life from hot. Wow. Wow. Yep. I'm getting a wicked endorphin rush too. Can you believe that?
Yeah, I mean, it's incredible. Wrap it up. You sound like a rookie.
That is so funny to me. All right. So the flavor's actually pretty good, you know? They should get an award for getting something that hot that tastes that good. It gave me the hiccups. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I mean, I can't believe it. I'm in shock. 1 to 10, I would say this is probably a, feels like a 9. Probably a 9 for me. No, it's probably only like a 7. I could take a lot more pain. But I could take more pain. But I can't imagine a sauce much hotter. Wow. It gave me the hiccups. So listen. In the description box. That's the first time I've ever had hiccups, ever in a video. From something hot. I think they're gone. Wow. Wow, I don't even know what to say. That's unbelievable. You want to talk about stupid hot? You just saw it. Hiccups are gone. 1 spoonful. Wow, huh? Holy mackerel. If you had told me, that was going to happen, I never would have believed it. Now, as I'm sitting here thinking, what do I title this video? Wow. Unbelievable. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. That sauce gave me the hiccups. If you're a chili head, that's a 10 all day long, every day, all day long. That was a 7 on my scale. Solid 7. I could have taken a lot more pain.
Let's get Mama Scoville to try it.
It would stop her heart. I'm not even fooling you. But holy cow, was that a hot sauce? In the description box, you're going to see a link for that. Merle, I love you. Diana, I love you. That was amazing. First time that's ever happened. Holy cow. Right there is the pepper to the bus. Right there is the pepper to the boat. Challenges here. Pepperology here. And the first hiccups I've ever had from a hot sauce. I'm Johnny Scoville. This was Chase the Heat.